Beautiful people, welcome to the channel. So today we'll be doing a reaction to how Germans react to ambulance siren. Go nowhere, stick around, let's do this together. If you're new here, hi, my name is Christiana. Welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe to join the family, and trust me, you're in the right place. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in. So guys, this is actually my first time. I've not clicked on the video yet, so I don't know what it's all about, but I believe we're gonna enjoy it. Without saying much, let's dive right into the video. I've never seen a thing like this. Germans take their traffic rules seriously. See the way they react to the ambulance siren. So impressive. What? Oh my god. This is amazing. Germans' respect for ambulance sirens is a great example for other countries. Seriously, they are so disciplined. Wow.
Achtung, das ist live.
Wow, I'm really shocked. But seriously, this is how it should be. I'm so impressed. Germans, you guys are doing good. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful video. I really enjoyed it, guys. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. To me, thank you so much for watching it with me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.